This is the water flosser. It has 300 milliliter large capacity, 360 and 10 pressure settings. Here's unboxing. Package includes user manual, water flosser, and for classic jet tip. Here I'm going to demonstrate the water flosser, and so I'm just going to fill up the tank. So it has a 600 milliliter water capacity, 10 pressure settings, and 360 rotating head. And so I'm just going to close the lid. I'm going to put one of the 4 classic jet tip. So as you can tell, it quickly just snaps in. And so just press down. The water flosser has an on-off switch, and so I'm just adding pressure in the pressure setting. Hope this demonstration helps in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.